Rick, during a final budget committee hearing this evening, Republican Anthony Piagentini warned if projections hold, Metro government revenues will decrease as expenses increase, which means balancing the Metro government budget could become more difficult. The Louisville Metro Office of Management and Budget projected a $20 million revenue decrease this year and an $80 million operating shortfall next year. Councilman Anthony Piagentini said that $20 million in lost tax revenue affected this year's budget, but credits Mayor Craig Greenberg with controlling costs to get the budget balanced. However, according to Piagentini, an $80 million deficiency next year is not something that can be covered by manipulating the budget.
We are highly dependent on the occupational tax. We are losing people, and big employers that are high-paying employers like Humana are seeing job reductions, and we aren't seeing, at least immediately, any major players moving in that are paying huge salaries.
Kevin Kramer is vice chair of the Metro Government Budget Committee. Kramer says Piagentini's concerns are valid.
When you look at this year's operating budget and you look at how much we generated in terms of revenue, taxes that came in, we did not generate as many revenues towards the operating side as we did last year.
And Kramer adds if Metro government stays on the same path next year, the amount of operating revenue will be even less to match up with an increase in expenses. However, Metro Council President Marcus Winkler says it's important to remember these are only projections made years before budgets are submitted by the mayor.
In those estimates, the Office of Management Budget has certainty about what our wages are going to be, and they make an estimate on economic growth. And so, again, I wouldn't say it's cause for concern. I think it's just watch and make sure that we don't get too far ahead of ourselves.
Budget Committee Chairman Rick Blackwell says what Piagentini was pointing out is a worst-case scenario. Blackwell says while job cuts at Humana and other large employers lower occupational tax revenue, other employers raise the amount of tax income Metro government takes in.
Then you have the Ford and UPS contracts, which were record contracts as well. So, and we're hiring folks there. So, so some of that will balance out. And then we're really focused on what are other new revenue streams.
While those revenue concerns may affect Metro budgets next year and beyond, this year's budget is basically set and will be voted on by the full Metro Council for approval on Thursday night. Live in studio, Randall Cam, WOKY News.